Hi guys, you're probably wondering why I have all these cups, but actually I was going to demonstrate to you what is something you could do with your juices if you choose to do that. I will warn you that there's not a tried and true recipe containing fruit punch and lemonade and apple juice, but feel free to experiment if your parents are okay with that. If you were experimenting and creating a recipe, it might sort of look something like this. So in this cup, I've got sparkling water, and this is going to be like my vessel, my bigger pitcher for mixing. And then in this cup, I've got some passion tea. So passion tea is sort of fruity. It's made from hibiscus flowers. It's pink in color, and patience is not my virtue, so I put ice cubes in it already because I want my drink to be cool. So probably what I'm going to do is mix all of this, and then I would put this pitcher in the fridge. All of your stuff won't be hot because it's not tea. If you have tea and you want to make some tea and add it to your concoction and post a recipe, feel free. So I also only have one measuring cup. So this is about a cup. So I am going to probably make a red mess as I do this. So I'm actually, rather than get a mess on this placemat I have on the table, I'm going to move it because it is easier to wipe down the table. I should have thought of this prior to making this video, but okay, so that's away. Now, I do not recommend that you pour things quickly and hotly. So if you are pouring, please do it carefully. Now, sometimes the trick to pouring out of a cup into another cup is to actually do it fast. That tends to make less of a mess. So I am going to guess that this mug, according to this, if this is a cup, this is probably about 2 cups. 1. And yes, I am making a mess. Your containers are definitely going to be easier to pour from. This is not a cup. I don't know. Anyway, there's a 1 on this. Maybe I have it backwards. Okay, hold on, guys. Wow, okay. So whatever my measuring is, now this is really actually a cup. I knew there was something funny. I scoop actually Pippa's food with 1/4 of a cup. So I'm not going to use that one because it's dirty. Okay, so I think that this was about 2 cups of tea. This is just passion tea, okay? And you guys have all seen this squeezer, so I cut a lime in half. You might not have a squeezer, even if you don't have a squeezer, and I did not give you fruit, but if you have some fruit that you want to squeeze in your juice, that could be part of your recipe. So, you guys all used this tool when we made our lemonade. So, I've got about 2 cups of passion tea and the juice of 1 lime so far. Ooh, and this half of the lime was actually way juicier than the first half. Trying to get every last bit. And you don't need this tool if you have lemons or limes and you want to add that to your concoction. You can just squeeze with your hands. Hands are good tools. And then, last but not least, I've got some sparkling water. So if you have that at home, and it is okay if you don't, sometimes that's a good way to add some fizz without it actually being soda. You might have some Sprite at home, and if you want to add that to your concoction, you can. We don't allow soda at school, so I did not give you soda. So I am adding 1 cup, about 1.5 cups of sparkling water. There. So, if I were to write my recipe and want to share it with you, I would write 2 cups passion tea, 1 squeezed lime, the juice of 1 squeezed lime, juice of 1 squeezed lime, and about 1 1/2 cups sparkling water. Now, of course, you don't have these exact things. I am not a sugary, juicy, drinky sort of person, so I don't have sugary things, and I only got enough for you guys. But if you, with your equipment, want to make a recipe, and your parents are okay with it, and you're measuring, and you're doing it in a spot where it would be okay for there to be a spill as long as you cleaned it up, if you have a recipe, feel free to post it. For your friends to enjoy also. Remember that those things are going to be picked up when you drop off. So they are in the pickup container. Those 3 juices, the 2 snacks, and the 1 window marker. 6 things in total. 6. Okay, you guys, see you tomorrow for our virtual crossing over at 2 p.m. Remember, we're going to do a group picture first. All right, bye.